If you feel your AirTag battery may get drained, it's time to change the battery. The cell. I show you how you need to do. So what you have to do means just hold your AirTag like this and place your thumb over the disk and rotate in anti-clockwise direction. That's it. The battery comes out. You just need this battery CR2032. So this is the battery. It's a universal battery code. You can buy this battery everywhere, supermarket, online, anywhere you can buy this battery. So it works under 3 volt. So you just buy a set. This will be more helpful for our daily use. Just take on new battery. Okay. So when we change the battery, we need to reset your AirTag. So it's very must. So you can see the plus sign. It means positive. This need to be faced upwards while we connect. So just place this battery. You hear a beep. So it's a short beep. This is first time. Again take, connect again. Second time. So again, third, you need to do this process until you hear the long beep. Fourth time, fifth. Okay, yeah, you hear. So do you hear that? Yeah, it's connected. So that's it. It's resetted. Now you can see the cut. Here also you can see the cut. Now just place like this. Okay, it is on. Now slide this to clockwise direction, exact opposite when we open, and that's it, it's done. So it's locked. Now let's check. You can see it's going to connect. This is how you need to put a new battery on your AirTag. And if you want to know more videos about AirTag, you need to watch this playlist.